Hello, welcome again to Mr. Pierre Reads Aloud. I have a great story for you again. This one is a lot of fun. You get to help with it. It's called Don't Push the Button by Bill Cotter. So in this story you get to help out a little bit now. We can't push the button yet. Just wait. It says don't push the button. Hi. My name's Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. It does look pretty nice though. I wonder what would happen if we pushed it. No, we can't. We mustn't. Psst. No one is looking. You should give that button a little push. Bing. Ah! No, I'm yellow. Push it again. Bing. Ah! Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice. Oh! Now there's two of me. Push it a bunch of times. Uh-oh. Now shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Whew, almost, a little more. Ah, okay, there we go. Now it says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get back to normal. That tickles. Okay, much better. Now let's not push the button again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. The end.